Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, my people, my people, my people. So, this morning, I got 1 Rockhill and 2 Charlotte. So, this one, my first run is Rockhill. Today's what, Wednesday. Monday, this was the load that they returned because the concrete slab wasn't ready. But today, they say it's ready and it's raining, and if it's muddy, I'm not gonna get stuck today. Sorry, but I'm not gonna get stuck today because I don't want to play that game today. It's raining from last night until now. I'm already ready, strapped, fuel up, ready to go, ready to go. I got my fruits in my bag. Everything is ready for the road. So all I need to do is for you to like, share, and subscribe. Let us journey on this journey. Yeah. One of my friend, he got to do his CDL today, and I tell him he got it. No worries, no complaint. Okay? No worries, no complaint. All you got to do is go over those bit by bit, piece by piece. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me go check him out doing his thing over there. Yeah. Say, man, you got it, huh? What you do, checking?
Yeah. I did my preacher last time. I got everything on my checklist, but I couldn't find that motherfucking
What's that?
transmission stick.
Transmission?
Yeah.
The fuel. If it's not up,
huh?
if it's not over that side.
It's gotta be on this side because that what you call's on the other side.
Then the oil stick, everything on that side.
Yeah.
But the transmission stick it should be on this side here.
Be on this side, right?
No, it's not gonna be here. It's gonna be in it.
It's gonna be in here somewhere.
So we're going towards our truck now, and here we go. We properly secured the load and ready to roll, rock and roll. It's gonna be an easy one. The time is now 5:39. We properly secure and load and strap. The safety's first before you get through that gate, because after that, you the driver is responsible for everything. Okay? Yeah. So I'll speak with you guys in a few. Oh wow. Yeah, speak to you guys in a few. Well. Reaching South Carolina. Almost 8 minutes from our destination. Came here before on Monday. So gonna see what it's like. Yep, see what it's like, and you'll know. Yeah, we will know what's going to take place. Tomorrow is Thursday. Today is Wednesday. The week is going fast, so we gotta give thanks. It's raining. It's kind of wet. So what you gotta do is just take your time, slow down, don't rush to greatness. You'll get there one day. Okay? You'll get there. Yes, my people. You know, I just learned something a while ago. This gentleman in that vehicle that you see coming, he just came up to me and he said to me that in this neighborhood, right, you cannot deliver in this neighborhood before 8. So he say if you do it before 8, you'll get a fine. I was like, wow. So you know, they want the people to get their proper rest. So they don't want no heavy vehicle to disturb them. So you can't deliver, okay? You cannot deliver there before 8 a.m. And they say when daylight saving times come, you can't deliver, you know the time go back again too. So you learn something. So I'm in a safe zone. I'm going to unload my trailer over there from that neighborhood to over here where they got this house over here. See, they're building some nice houses over here. But your boy is gonna get to work. Your boy gonna get to work. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Get to work. Yeah, we're gonna get to work. Finish this work as we should. Okay, so I'll see you guys. Yeah. I don't know, it's raining and it's kind of a little bit light drizzling. We're empty now. We drop our load over there, so we're gonna go through this neighborhood, the same neighborhood that they say after, after 8 you can do your delivery. So the time is like 7:24, so it's not like we're gonna deliver. We're just driving through here. Yeah, we're driving through here. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're driving through here. We're going through there. Yep, that's where we're going now. Okay. Yeah. See you guys in a few. All right. It's a rainy day and a traffic day. Look at traffic, look at red light. A rainy and traffic day. They say there's an accident up the road, but I can't see it. I don't know where the accident is, but it's a rainy and traffic day. We're coming from South Carolina. We're still in South Carolina. Don't reach the borders yet, but we're getting there. A lot of rain and a lot of traffic on 77. So I gotta go on 77 to get back onto they call it now 85 knot. It's all good. Everybody gotta stay in their lane. But we're gonna get there, alright? Traffic, we see how much car this. 1, dang, 2, and 3. Rough. Somebody on stretcher here? No, sir. Oh, it's a rainy day. Rainy day on this Wednesday. You just have to be safe because you hardly can see anything. So you have to just cut your speed because you can see that it's a rainy day. Yeah, it's a rainy day. We can't complain about it. Just gotta brace for it. Definitely. Back from our first run. Get loaded for that Meritage Preston Park. Charlotte. We got 2 runs to do for that one there. Yeah. So hopefully we can do it. Yeah, hopefully we can do it. Back into the yard we go. Get the heck out of here. hour to and an hour back.
So here we go.
Ready to get loaded. It's raining. Woo woo! Woo! It's raining, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. We're not gonna complain. All that rain. It's a wet, rainy, and crazy day. Okay? About this is our second run. Gonna wait to get our what we call it now. Get loaded for this second run. See what it's like. Definitely. See what it's like. You know? Yeah. Well, seems like we loaded and waited. Definitely. So we'll get back to you guys. But we're loaded right now. It's raining and we're here. This is our load. As you can see, it's raining. I got no time to fool around that. Alright, it's properly, I would say, properly loaded. Yeah. I'm ready. When I say I'm ready, I'm ready to go. This is my second load. The time is like 9 something, so I'm just gonna take my time, drop off this, come back, do my third, and done for the day. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. It's a traffic day and a rainy day. Crazy traffic, crazy rainy day. Definitely. See what they got for us. Know that we're going back to the same place. Got 2 runs to go. Not 2 more. 1 more run. Try to finish off. Then. It's a rainy day. Well, this is the last run for the day. And time is like 11:43. So we're gonna knock this out, go to the same place we went with our second, and then come back, get back here around probably about 2 o'clock. That's about it. That complete the day. Come back, go home, relax a little bit, then go to the gym. That completes our day. Definitely. Paperwork is right here. Right here. Yep. Complete rain. Rainy day. Yeah. It's kind of raining a little bit, but oh well. We're getting over it. Oh well. Yeah, we're getting over it. It's all good, it's all good. It's all good with this rain and everything going on. But it's getting there. We cannot complain. We're off now. See? Backpack. Water bottle. Just go and check and see what we got for tomorrow. And get the heck out of here. We call it a day. Yeah, going towards it, going to the gym after this. So we will keep you posted, okay? I will keep you guys posted. Gotta give God thanks for everything, because you know we can't say no. We no accident free. Nothing happened. So we give God thanks for that. So I went to the gym, get a good workout. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Not complaining. Right? Gym was good. Get a good workout, and back at the house. You're sitting in the car, about to go in, take a shower, get something to eat, and then finish up this video. Finish up editing this video. Put it together and throw it on. Definitely. So, you guys will hear from me shortly. Alright? Yeah. I have much to give thanks. I have much to give God thanks. You know, today was a rainy day. And I don't even want to make this end too long. Don't want to make it too long. But I'm just giving thanks for everything. You know, today was rainy, traffic. But to God be the glory. Great things He have done. As a trucker, when you finish work and there's no accident, you have to give thanks to the man up above. The man up above. And that's God Himself. We're giving thanks to Him for an accident free. Okay? You know, today was just up and down and back and forth, which I got no problem. Alright? But I have much to give thanks. Much to give Him thanks. You know, all we gotta do is just give Him thanks for everything that He have done. And like, you know, for me, I always have like a motivation. So my motivation my motivation speech is, if you fall down yesterday, stand up today. So if you fall yesterday, stand up, brush yourself off. It's okay to start over. Okay? It's okay. The greatest thing, you start. The greatest thing, you stand up back. You don't sit down. You don't stay there. Okay? So if you fall down yesterday, stand up back. I'm just asking you to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So when I post a video, you're the first to see. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your cousin, niece, auntie, nephew, everybody to like, share, subscribe, share, comment below each video that I post. Because we got something positive. Something positive. We're preaching positivityness. You know, positiveness over here. Positivity. All right? So just like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And if you feel free, share it with a friend. Because everybody needs something positive in their life. Okay? Thank you.